In today's video tutorial, I will show you how to make a romantic heart made in Romanian point lace technique. For work you need mat, a ball of yarn, ready cord, scissors, pin, sewing needle, crochet hook. Begin the work from the pinning the cord in the shape of the heart and sew places of contiguity. Let's begin the work. With the needle, go through the stitches of the cord I fix this part. I begin the work from this point. Let's make strings. I skip 3 stitches and work with the 4th stitch. I pin it. And with the needle go through the same stitch or loop. Now I'm going to work with threads and strings. With the needle, go under the second thread. With the needle, go through the loop of the cord. With the needle, go under the first thread. With the needle, go under the second thread. And with the needle, go through the second loop. With the needle, go under the first thread. So continue working in this way till the end of the space. I have done all strings. Continue the work. With the needle, go through the stitches. Continue working. Next time I'm going to work with second threads. So it means you should skip the first one and work under the second one, like this. And continue the work. I skip the first one and work under the second one. With the needle, go under the last one, pull a little bit, and work in backwards. Go back, so skip the first one and work with the second threads, like this. Pull a little bit. I have done 2 rows. Now I'm working with 2 threads. Now I skip first 2 and work with under 2 threads, like this. pull a little bit. Now divide our work on two parts. Work with this side. Work with two strings. Skip two first strings and work with the second two strings, like this. And go back. Let's make one more row. Continue the work. I'm going to work with these four. Like this. I skip the first pair. Go back. I skip the last pair. Work with these three pairs. And go back. We skip the last pair. Work with two pairs. Then you should continue working in this way till this point. As you can see, I am working with left part of the heart. I stop at this point. I take pink color of yarn and with the needle go through the stitches and begin from this point. And you should make in the same way as I showed you before, in the right part. I have done the right side. Now I show you how to join two parts together. With the needle, go under two strings. With the needle, go through the stitches of the cord. Then I will cut off this yarn. Now work with the right side. Work with these two pairs. With the needle, go under the second pair. Then with the needle, go under the first pair. Like this. And continue. And pull a little bit. With the needle, go under the threads, and with the needle go under the first thread. Work with the middle threads. Let's make the last time. With the needle go through the stitches and cut off the yarn. The heart is ready. That's it. Let's take a look at the back side. Don't miss our new video tutorials on our YouTube channel, and please visit our store. Thanks for watching.